good morning. I just woke up and today I'm gonna show you my skincare routine. On my first video, A Day in Life, you can check that out here. I received a comment from Rashika of Rashika's Corner. It's right here. I don't really put a lot on my skin, so thank you for noticing. It's not really that much, but I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So in the morning when I just woke up, I just literally wash my face with warm water and then put on some moisturizer. I use Olay Regenerating Serum. So that's my first routine in the morning, and then I'm gonna change, go downstairs, and do some workout.
그렇게 나쁜 짓을 했다고? 재혼한 게 나쁜 짓이야? 그게 왜 나쁜 짓이야? 그걸 다 봤다잖아. 알았냐고 네가. 귀신들.
One time I was eating mango and then my mother-in-law saw me and she gave me an advice to rub the leftover skin of the mango, like after you eat all the meat. So you just flip that, and then this part right here, you can rub it in your face. I'm gonna show you how I do it. That's it. Look, you can barely see it. Look, you can barely see it, but there's like some yellow thing there. But yeah, so you leave that on your skin for 15 minutes. By that time, you're gonna feel your skin like stretching, which is really cool. This is it. I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Look at my face. You see that? The yellow, like, it's like lining from the mango meat. You know, it's like my face is dry, but it's color yellow. But yeah, so that's how it looks like after 15 minutes. So I have to wash it now because it's starting to get itchy. If you're allergic to anything or whatever, if your skin is sensitive, double check first before doing that. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash my face now. I'm just using Olay Regenerist detoxifying pore scrub. This is what I use all the time, and then I'm gonna moisturize again with the regenerating serum. Mango, I really notice the smoothness from on my skin. Really, like, you're gonna notice it right away. So that's the mango. Now I'm gonna show you another homemade mask that I do It's made with avocado and honey. It's really simple. I usually use whatever I have on my counter. Mostly it's actually mango, avocado, sometimes banana. I just mix banana. I just mash banana with honey and then just use that as a mask. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse my face. You don't need to add any soap, just rinse it off. And then I'm gonna add this homemade avocado honey mask. This is just one ripe avocado and a tablespoon of honey. Leftover, and then this leftover right here, I can put this in a small container and then leave it in the fridge, and then tomorrow I can use it again. Hi, so I just want to show you how it looks like after 15 minutes. See how everything dried out? It actually turned a little bit brownish now. You know, when you leave your avocado open up in the air, it actually turns out brown. So I just want to show you that. So I'm gonna rinse this off now and then I'm gonna jump in the shower. Heyo! So I just finished shower and I'm already on my PJs. And if you have any skincare routine that you can share with me, comment below. And if you want to do my skincare routine, you can tag me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you again guys for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button below with the bell button for notifications for new videos. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. Bye!